In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto reframe in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is open up CapCut, create a new project, and now I'm just going to upload a stock footage here of this forest. So I'm going to click add, and now if I want to auto reframe this using the application, click on the video, and now scroll down, click left to right, and look for auto reframe. This is a pro feature inside CapCut, so you need to have CapCut Pro. If you don't have CapCut Pro, I will leave a link in the description below where you can try CapCut Pro on a free 7-day trial. So go ahead and click on auto reframe, and now depending where you want to send your project, so if you want to send it to TikTok, choose the 9:16 and just move it left to right, and then we can camera moving speed, we can choose to have this slower or faster, so it's all up to you. I'll keep it normal. If we want to upload this video to YouTube, choose 16:9, Instagram's 1:1. And now once you're happy with what you have selected, go ahead and click the tick mark, and now if we press the play button, you can see this has been automatically reframed. Then from here, just simply go up to the top, choose 4K resolution, and then click export, and then upload that to wherever you like to.